Introduce you to PopPick, a first in the world of its kind workstation for picking solutions. So what is PopPick? The name comes from pop out, pick easy. Behind me you see our latest product, the PopPick workstation, a first of its kind in the world. This automated solution on the back side has a wall of 60 toads that are picked by robots, rolled out on these roller conveyors for a dual operator layout where two people can do the picking. All the picking is done at an ergonomical height, meaning no more high picking, no more low picking. The system is able to do 650 presentations per hour, at best in the world. The system supports 60 by 40 by 30 toad sizes for up to 20 kilos. We also can combine the PopPick workstation with a regular goods to shelf layout for bigger size objects or heavier products. If you would follow me, let's go have a look at the back side of this amazing new technology. Here we have the PopPick shelf, a new ultra-compact design from Geek Plus with just 2 centimeters of space between each toad, allowing an up to 50% increase in density compared to a regular shelf layout. By moving such a large number of toads, we get a high increase in transport efficiency of the whole system, which is one of the key reasons that you can have an up to 50% cost saving versus other similar solutions. The whole system is powered on the back end by the same Geek Plus goods-to-person algorithm that our customers know and love. The shelves are placed in the warehouse in blocks of 12, which allow you up to 4 times increase in total storage capacity per square meter compared to a more traditional aisle setup. Underneath the shelves, the whole system is powered by our P800 robots. And now let's go have a look at the new 6th generation P800 from Geek Plus.